Happy New Year, y'all. Welcome to 2025. I hope this year is amazing for you guys and you have all the fun in the world with your dogs and whatnot. My dog, my friends. Okay, but look, we're having a whole snow day here in North Carolina. It's shocking because we don't get snow that much where we're at in the part of North Carolina we're in. Okay, so everybody's excited and I want to see how the dog's going to react to the snow. Well, I know how Simba's going to react. You know, my senior dog. I know how he's going to react. He don't care about the snow. He's not going to be feeling it. He going to want to go back in the house. But Zuri, this is her very first time seeing snow. That's our puppy. For those that are new here, I have a senior dog who is 12 and a puppy. She's what? Let's see. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I think she's like, let me count that again. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is 9 months. So, yeah, she's 9 months. She will be a year in March as well, because both of their birthdays are in March. So, not as well, but Simba's birthday is in March. Zuri's birthday is in March. His birthday is the 21st. Hers is the 22nd. Super cool, super cool. But anyway, we want to see how Zuri about to react in the snow, okay? She's a little puppy. We're going to see if she's, like, fascinated, like, what is this? Or she's like, take me back inside. Let's see what she do. Zuri, do you see that white stuff? It's Zuri's first time seeing the snow. Wow. Wow. You see that? All right, y'all. Brought Simba out. See how he gonna act. Look, he's not excited. He's like, girl, what is you doing? You're bringing me out here in this mess. He ain't about that life. Simba, you don't like it? You cold? He not feeling it, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna let you go back in the warm house, okay? All right, I'm gonna let you go. Zuri trying to play. See, Simba said he on under the trampoline. He trying to stay dry. Simba running a little bit, y'all. Okay, Simba. Simba said he trying to run away, child. Simba said he running to that door. You know what I'm talking about? Running to that door. Simba said he ready to go in. Go in, Simba. Hello. Simba said he didn't want to join you. He went back in the house, huh? Simba said he not about that life. You like it? She don't mind a bit. Zuri like the snow so much she done brought her toy outside in the snow. She don't mind one bit. She ready to play. She ready to play. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get that toy. Get that toy. Get that toy. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? Get it. Zuri like to play. Zuri like to be in it. She ready. She ready to play. Go, Zuri. Go, Zuri. Go, Zuri. Woo! Zuri hear people talking or yelling, having fun in the snow.
Hey, Justin. The top ropes. Or the bottom. The bottom. Well, I got an extra refund.
So the kids are building some kind of snow contraption here with the little bits of snow that we do have, and Zuri was curious what they was doing, so she's trying to see what's going on. Zuri said she's gonna take a little break and go up on the trampoline. Up, she's back at it. She's back at it. She's back at it.
Yeah. Let me see.
Look, sock and a glove. They don't know where their gloves at.
Justin has one glove, so we both, and then we have another sock.
Kids.
You like it? See, like. We love snow.
You having fun, Zuri? She wants to explore. Simba wants no parts. No parts. No parts. Here she go again. Come on, Zuri. It's snowing a little harder now. It was light, but it's snowing harder. Thought it was about to stop, but it tricked me. Didn't it, Zuri? Tricked me. I would say she loves it. You love it, Zuri? Love the snow and you want to eat it. Okay. Greedy butt. Greedy butt Zuri. She got the zoomies. She got the zoomies. Come back, girl. Can't catch you on the camera. You so fast.
She's too fun. Yeah, too fun.
Zuri don't mind the snow. Zuri don't mind the snow. Zuri. Zuri. You see that stuff? See that white stuff? What is it, girl? What is it, girl? You want to eat it? She want to eat the snow. You want to eat the snow? So, so as far as the dog reactions in the snow goes, we see that Zuri absolutely loves it. She wants to explore. She's hearing all the sounds. She's barking, being excited. But Simba could care less. He ran back in the house and he's had enough, okay? Those are the reactions. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And we'll see you much more in 2025, okay? Let us know what kind of dog mom videos you want to see. Any dog mom tips that you would like for us to touch on. You know, I have a senior dog and a puppy, so tap in and let us know. Comment, all right? We'll see you guys later. Say bye, Zuri.